Let's see. Well, I'm not doing anything yet. I'm just watching Donut, D-Nut.
You are watching Donuts.
Everybody's watching the donut. It's going to go to $6. I'm not feeling.
Buenos dias. Right. So another all-time
Nvidia's
high.
really up.
Thank you, Mr. President. Another all-time high. After the close today, we have Tesla earnings, so that's amazing. So if you go to trading
Yeah,
terminal, we have
Tesla and Alphabet as well.
the big ones. Yeah.
You know, there's been kind of a trend that these companies are putting up good numbers and selling off. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Texas Instruments was the latest one. Put up some pretty good numbers. Had some, and it's down like 20 $20, 10%, 9% in the pre-market here.
FI Pfizer. This one is horrible. Oh. Well, NVIDIA is interesting. NVIDIA is strong. The semis are completely strong today. Let's see if we can get a good entry on them for opening range breakout. Thor, where are you trading? Shortest squeeze on Qs.
Tesla's a little in the red here. Apple is up again today.
See what we're getting today.
Everybody's expecting big news from Apple. I think there was some there was some news release about SpaceX investors being given a heads up that Musk is going to be doing more political stuff.
He didn't, huh? He didn't. There's nothing about this American party yet.
No.
Right, so let's see.
Here we
See
go.
where the volume is.
I think you might start hearing some stuff about it, maybe.
AMD's doing some strength here.
Tesla's dropping.
Semis opened the strong. NVIDIA is strong. AMD is strong. SOXL is strong. And I wait for a few minutes to see the dust to settle. ABVX is hitting the scanners. It's 530% up. What is that? That is
Okay, hello. Nice rising devil on Amara.
AMD 1 minute queen range breakout.
Gonna lose 18 here.
Gonna get a long on AMD 157.38. Did I get filled? I didn't get filled. Why I didn't get filled?
I'm short Amara.
Sorry, I didn't get filled on AMD. I don't know why. That was a good 1 minute queen range breakout. That was a good pop up.
Some big order. Some big orders at 18 on Mara.
AMD is nice. Let's pop on it.
Here we go. Here we go. Covering some.
What are you shorting?
Mara. Rising
tomorrow.
Devil. OKLO is going.
I get along on
Cheers is going
NVIDIA
red.
169.50. Um, get along on NVIDIA 169.50, 65 actually. Let's see if you can.
Just long some OKLO as well at 65.
See if NVIDIA can go to 170. Let's continue going higher. Right, AMD, NVIDIA is definitely very heavy above 170. It doesn't.
OKLO is a friggin' mess.
I started
I'm going to get
getting
out
out of
of it.
NVIDIA.
Getting out of OKLO. I don't like the way it's trading.
I partialed NVIDIA. I'm not sure if this one is a good trade or not. I have a little bit left. Let's see if it can pop up or not. There's actually a big beat down there, which is not a good sign. Come on. I think a little bit more on NVIDIA here. See if NVIDIA can do a break of 170. It's struggling. Oh, come on, NVIDIA. You can pop. Tesla is popping. AMD is popping. You guys,
Yeah,
you can
Tesla's
do it.
popping up. Might
Tesla
it's
wants to
going to
go
test
green.
BTC anyway.
Tesla might want to go green. AMD wants to go green. Sorry, AMD is already green. AMD wants to go back up. Yes, so far it's holding above the revap. Tesla went green. Wow, nice. Tesla was
Yeah,
nice.
Tesla's green. Yeah.
Tesla should have got into Tesla. Wow, look at this beautiful rip on Tesla. That's what we need in life.
Just going to cover some more Mara here. It's 1760.
Mara. We're seeing Mara. Why Mara is selling off? Isn't the crypto is a hot sector now?
No, they did a secondary offering, sold a bunch of shares, diluted shareholders.
See if NVIDIA holds the VWAP or not. Added a little more on NVIDIA. See if we can actually do the pop or not. May not. So it's interesting. Maybe I get into Tesla.
Yeah, I'm
TSL
just trying a little long on Tesla here while I'm watching Nvidia or Mara sell off.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some long on Tesla. I'll go TSLL 1260. See if Tesla can do another breakout, maybe for the break of pre-market high. EDA seems disappointing.
Come on, Tesla.
You're long Tesla as well?
Yeah, I just got long 330 calls, $13.
So nuts. It's coming above the VWAP. It's just trying to go long.
Wow, MU is breaking out.
Right, NVDA. If NVIDIA breaks above 170, I might add on it. I think a little bit on NVIDIA here, 170. Let's see if we can get the open range breakout. Tesla, I'm still long on it. Like TSLL, my average is 1260. Oh, come on, NVDA 170, break up 170. Oh, perfect. NVIDIA, let's see if NVIDIA breaks up or not. TSLL still nothing. You sell FCEL. I used to work for that company. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go, NVDA. Partitioning some.
Yeah, finally broke out.
See if you can actually get a clear break of high today. Daily chart is meh on NVDA.
I'm getting out of Tesla. I don't like it. Just covered some more Mara at 1750. I'm pretty close to being out of that.
President, we need the all-time high. Tesla looks like it's losing the revap. So
Yeah, Tesla's lost the lost PDC.
it's not good. NVDA, come on, you're driving us crazy. Just get a clear breakout. What do you do with TSLL? Should I get out?
I think Tesla might just be a chop fest today.
All right, I'm getting out of Tesla at 1254. Getting out of that. Right, NVIDIA is coming down as well. I might stop at that NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is coming down. I'm getting stopped out on NVIDIA as well, guys. XN. That one is down really seriously. Texas Instrument.
Yeah, bonds are down a bit today. Interesting. Tesla's coming back up.
Another long one, TSL 1260. See if TSLL this time wants to go higher. Although it looks like a dark breakfast today, but one more time, see if existing home sales is coming at 10.
Yeah, we got some numbers coming out at 10.
10 existing home sales coming at 10. Yeah, that's a good high impact number. Back low at TSLL. I want to see if TSLL can do. Yeah,
Yeah, Tesla's hanging around PDC.
yeah, AMD is also interesting. I'm going to get the long on AMD 157.38. AMD looks like it is nice. Let's see. 157.39 on AMD. Let's see. This seems interesting too. If you can go to 158. Slow. Slightly dogs break fast.
SPY selling off.
Really
I'm
completely lost
short
it.
with I'm long a put on SPX. Q's just dropped. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Nvidia's selling off, eh? You're out of
NVIDIA completely
Nvidia.
lost. Yeah. Hopefully AMD it doesn't.
Here we go.
Off.
Trading 63.15 SPX puts.
NVIDIA is really selling off too.
Selling some.
All right, let's see if TSLR can go up this time.
Anyone trade Mara's Rising Devil? That was a really nice setup for a Rising Devil. I'm sure Peter traded it. Nice. Peter likes my Rising Devil trade. Nice, Joshua.
Right, so I think I need to get out of
Nice trade, Harvey.
AMD, but Tesla is doing good. All right, I'm getting out of my AMD at 156.47. Let's see if Tesla can break up 5 today now. I need a little more on TSLL 1264. Let's see. Break of 5 today on Tesla, that would be nice. Come on, Tesla. You can do it. Today, you're earning, you
Oh,
can do it.
no, Peter, you missed a rising devil trade.
Tesla. Nice.
Yeah,
Very
Tesla's
nice.
breaking out here. Big volume. Big volume move right there through the View app.
See if we break off half today of 12.7. Yes, so partialing on TSLL.
Let's check out what the implied move on Tesla is at the end of the day here. 333 trading
Nice.
right now. It's called 335.
All right, partialing
Like
some on TSLL. 12.7
implied
is
move is about $40. So over 10%.
oh, there you go. Tesla popping up 12.73 and
Yeah,
partialing more. Nice.
nice move on Tesla.
Beautiful move on Tesla. AMD is garbage. You might go back on AMD 156.98. Let's see if you can get a pop above the VWAP this time. Oh, nice. Tesla 12.75 and partialing. It's the daily chart look like on Tesla. Might go to 335, huh?
Yesterday's high is around just over 335. There's a bit of an order at 335, not huge. Bigger orders at 340.
Right, let's see if Tesla can continue the break of high of the day to the upside. I'm also long on AMD at 156.95. Let's see if AMD can go higher. Although the AMD is a bad trade, I don't know. I'm embarrassed to say I'm long. So,
Yeah, AMD's really just settling in. It's got a pennant going on, so it's going to break. Should break one way or another. PLTR is starting to move up here. Let's see. Let's see if Mara gets to 17. It's at low of Mara's at low of day now.
cases got halted. Is the fund still going on? Look at that. It's still no? All right, so TSLL is back to my break-even point. So I'm going to get a stop down on TSLL here. Yeah, I'm all out of TSLL. Did I make any money out of it? Not really. AMD is still long on AMD. We'll see. Tesla is also rising. See if I can make the losses back on AMD. On AMD, you can pop up. You can go above the VWAP. HIMS is hitting the scanner. What's HIMS doing? HIMS and hers.
Hims and hers.
Nice.
Yeah.
HIMS is a nice breakout. 52 is going to go through 52. It's the daily chart look like on HIMS. Yeah, it looks like it wants to break out. 52 is definitely. Spread is not great on it. All right, AMD is coming up. Let's see if it can close above the VWAP. High, all-time high. Qs, nothing but all-time high on the SPYs there. So the sectors.
I'm getting out of Mara, the rest of Mara. Looks like we kind of put in a bottom there. So that was that was a decent trade.
Let's see if AMD can break toward 158. Hood, what is Hood doing? Hood is doing at 100, doing nothing pretty much.
Pie is looking weak.
Bill is doing nothing. FI sold up at the open. This one didn't do much. Yeah, AMD definitely dogs break fast, so I don't have much of a hope on AMD popping up unless this news at 10 move the market. Maybe not actually. AMD is moving. Maybe not. I changed my perspective on AMD. 5750 would be nice. Oh, there you go. That's nice. See if I can make my losses back. Uh-huh. 158, that would be nice. Oh, 58 would be very nice.
Yeah, there goes AMD's popping a bit.
Tesla is also going back up. It was just garbage.
Tesla's popping back. Tesla definitely has some buyers.
Horny. Robotaxi in Beijing. That's interesting. China allows robotaxi. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful move on Pony. Yeah, they see Benzinga announced it. Wow. It's amazing. Look at that. Big ask at 1560. Should have got in there. So AMD is going to go through 158. Let me see if I can actually make my losses back on AMD. Actually, I'm not greedy. I'm partialing some here on AMD. Paris, nice trade on Tesla. Really good.
Tesla's been hard to trade today. Qs and SPY just dropped a bit.
Wow, that was a nice announcement on Ponyo by Benzinga. That was a good time. That Benzinga announced it at the year when it was 1520. That's why I got my attention.
Man, things are really choppy. The only thing that really traded nice and clean today was Mara.
NVIDIA also sold off nicely. I mean, at the open it struggled a little bit, but it did go down. NVIDIA potential
NVIDIA.
reversal on NVIDIA. I don't know. I mean, maybe at the previous day close, maybe. I'm still long AMD. I'll see if AMD can break toward 158, even though it's a really horrible price action right now. But potentially, if you can get to 158, that would be nice. I don't know if I want to add here or not, but I mean, not a bad idea to add a little bit here. 157.50 is bring the average a little bit higher. You can get to breakout. That would be nice.
We've got less than 2 minutes to this news.
Paris, you traded NVIDIA as well. Nice. Wow, what a nice short Paris. Right, Benzinga is announcing it. Let's see coming up.
And Paris is doing his matrix thing. He's reading the numbers. He's on level 2.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, Paris is a great trader. Tesla is coming back off. Sure, but yeah, Tesla might actually break out too, but again, I'm not in there. And this loss on AMD, if I can recover, would be nice.
NVIDIA is still selling off here.
Come on. AMD.
NVIDIA's got an order at 168. It's probably going to go there.
Yeah, AMD is garbage. I need to get out of it. I don't think AMD is doing anything.
Just short a bit of NVIDIA. Just making that move down, new low of day.
Yeah, I'm getting out of an NVIDIA guy, AMD guys. Sorry, it's really bad loss on it today.
Yeah, that was a drop there. Wow. Here we go. Come on down, 168.
All right, 10 seconds to the existing home sales. That's usually a good, very high impact number because that can impact the
Yeah. Let's see. Here we go.
rate
Let's see what they cleared out the book. Let's see what happens.
below the estimate numbers came. 3.9.
Yeah, so
Benzinga
it's
just
selling
announcing
a
the
bit,
breaking news.
selling a bit here. Q's selling. Here we're going.
Tesla held up nicely. Tesla held up nicely so far. EDA. Right. I had a big loss, guys, on AMD. So yeah, I'm down 30,000 so far. I had two big loss on AMD. I had two little win on NVIDIA and TSLL. So I don't know. I have to go. I'm gonna go think about my life. What did it go wrong? Where did it go wrong?
What happened? Where did I go wrong along the way? We got a bit of a bounce off on SPY off yesterday's high. Tesla's trying to break out here. I'm going to add to my short on NVIDIA. Might get stopped out here. This is where I'll get stopped out if we get over 168.80. Because then it's going to go to 169. Okay, I'm stopped out.
Guys, sorry, I'm back. Wow, NVIDIA is bouncing back, huh?
Yeah, I thought it was going to get to 168, but no. Spying cues aren't really doing much of anything.
Tesla wants to go for the break of high of the day. It's a little bit extended. Otherwise, I would have gone long here.
What's that?
Tesla.
It does look like flag, the upside, ascending triangle. I think it's going to break out.
Yeah, Tesla looks like he wants to break out. Again, a little bit extended up here. I got chopped up really bad on AMD. Not a nice life.
Oh shit! There's Nvidia is now going to drop. He bastard.
NVIDIA is really nice. Should have gone short NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA continued lower.
Yeah, look at that. I was shorted and it
Yeah,
stopped
big
me
deal.
out.
68. There you go. Boom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I knew that was coming.
Yeah, I think it might actually go. There's a moving average on 5-minute chart that I think is going to test 167.80, and I wouldn't be surprised if this one goes to previous day close. If it does hit the previous day close, I'm going to be taking a big reversal on it, a big buy. But it might not get there. That's another 0.7% drop. Today is tricky, huh? At least our usual suspects. Fuck him. Look at this. Jesus. Jesus.
Yeah, they with Nvidia, they came down, picked up all those shares at 168. Wow, Q's and SPY are bouncing here now.
NVDA. I'm gonna take a long on NVDA. Maybe through NVDL. Let's see what do we have here.
Mara had a nice bounce off that 1750.
Did
It's
I trade
back
the
at the
movie?
VWAP now.
I'm gonna take a long on NVDA, 168.41. I'm gonna put a stop loss below 168. See if this double bottom. My confidence in this trade is like 70%.
Which trade are you taking?
NVDA double bottom.
Hmm. Tesla's breaking out. Trying to anyway. There's a seller there at 334, just underneath there.
On Tesla? Yeah, Tesla and AMD, both of them are garbage today. All right, let's see if NVIDIA can go back toward 169 would be nice. It's not too much to ask.
There is an order at 169. 25,000 shares.
The nightmare AMD is. Whoa. Let's see what Carlos is doing. Check out the Carlos YouTube. Hasn't done anything, huh? Carlos is so funny on YouTube. I love him. He was born to run a pre-market show, I think. He's in blood.
Yeah, he does a good job for sure.
Blood.
Pretty entertaining.
It's NVDA. All right, I'm getting a stop down on NVDA. I'm gonna get a stop down on NVDA. This one is gonna go lower. I'll take another stab at it at either the low previous day close or maybe the moving average on 5-minute chart. Oh, you got to stop that on PLTR, Carlos. I love that guy. Yeah, maybe it's holding, huh? I don't know. Should get back on NVDA. Looks like NVIDIA is founding a bottom.
Yeah, maybe. Qs are still selling off though.
I'm going to get back on NVIDIA 168.41. I lost so much money
And
when I thought
Tesla's
lose more.
Tesla's really creeping up here. Big order at 335.
On 68.50. That would be nice if you can get the. Oh, what did you do? Or traded PLT or short. Exactly the opposite of Carlos. Nice. Thor's charts are getting so scary. Like, what is that rainbow color down there?
Shit. LKLO is still going. Uranium back in play today.
Let's see if NVIDIA can hold this 168.25 level that is holding. Let's see if it can make a new 5-minute high. No, the one that is under your trading view is that one. Carlos and Peter are so funny to open. All right, so let's see if this NVIDIA can pop up. Maybe make some of our losses back. Nice. Nice. That's what we want. Nice. 169, and then we might actually be profitable. Come on, come on, come on. It's AMD doing AMD garbage. Get back in AMD. Yeah, I'm going to get another long on AMD 157.25 as well. Let's see if this time wants to go. Oh, there you go. NVIDIA is really nice popping. We're shooting some on NVIDIA here, 168.77. See if AMD can go as well. Or AMD might actually go for the break of high. I don't know what happened, but things are popping up.
AMD is moving up a bit here.
Adding a little bit more on NVIDIA here. NVIDIA might go back to VWAP, so see if AMD can pop up to 158. Maybe we can make our losses back. That's not the goal. The goal is to make a good trade. The goal is to make a good trade. $69. AMD is popping up. Come on, NVIDIA. We want VWAP. I'm actually greedy now. I want VWAP in NVIDIA. Spice coming up, choosing coming up.
Yeah, we're getting some buying here.
Nice. AMD, I'm long AMD too, guys, and from the VWAP. I'm very greedy today. Come on, AMD. On NVIDIA. From this $4 trillion, just give me $20,000.
What's the book? Let's take a look at what the book looks like. Yeah, there's a level there at 169.30.
Right, AMD might go for the break of this mini level 158. I might put some order at 158 on AMD.
Chasing stuff there.
Come on, NVIDIA. I want VWAP from you. And I want 158 from AMD. Delta Airline. What's Delta doing? Airlines are
up a bit here today. UAL up a bit. Delta's up the most.
such a hard business. These airlines, such a nightmare.
Yeah. No kidding.
Like my flight got canceled in Lisbon. So not only they had to give me hotel and rebook me, and they had to pay me 600 euros as well. So imagine like if there's a issue with the airplane, and they have to pay so much money to everybody.
I know it's crazy.
Such a nightmare of ape.
Yeah, and you have so many issues that are out of your control. Whether
I got 600 euros. 600 euros and a hotel and rebooking. Although they haven't sent me the money yet, but I did ask for them.
which airline were you flying? Which airline was that?
TAP, Portugal Airline.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Right, so let's see what NVIDIA is. Come on, NVIDIA. We thought we were going to get to VWAP. AMD, I'm still in AMD. Benzinga announced White House released the AI Action Task Force. Maybe that's a good thing.
Bit of a 920 on the cues. Let's see what it does on this pullback here.
I'm adding more on NVIDIA here, 168.94. Let's see. NVIDIA might go for the VWAP. Looks like it's still strong, higher high, higher lows.
Long, got long a little bit of OKLO off the VWAP.
So Benzinga is announcing it as we go that requires the understanding the
And sell
Chinese
some.
model. Oh, there you go. Oh, AMD is popping up. That's what we want.
Yeah, I'm
That's what we
just
want.
selling some OKLO
Oh,
right
nice.
here.
Partially
got a
some
nice
and
little,
AMD.
got a nice little bounce off the VWAP on OKLO.
Nice. That's nice. There you go. See, White House helped us. Thank you, Mr. President, or whatever that action plan was.
Oh, and a really nice VWAP bounce on OKLO.
Yeah. Like if NVIDIA hits the VWAP on, then we are in business, baby. You have to also pick the YouTube winner today for the membership. How was your trading day, Brian? I had a pretty good day. I mean, not actually, I'm still red, but I'm pretty happy with the trades
That
on
was okay.
NVIDIA.
I got the my Rising Devil trade on Mara worked out real well. I got a loss on that Nvidia short, even though it would have worked out, stopped me out.
Let's go, NVIDIA, come on. Efficiency. Life is very important.
Hmm. Ripple
NVIDIA
sold
is
off a little bit today.
Yeah, NVIDIA is doing the sell-off. I'm still long NVIDIA, guys, heavy size. I'm still long AMD, also good number of the shares. I think NVIDIA is going to go above the VWAP. I'm actually very confident on that. SPY is coming above the VWAP. Although you never say never, but still 5 minute is higher, high, higher, low. Still
Yeah, it
the
looks like
bullish pattern is happening up there.
Pi is trying to rally here.
AMD is a little bit disappointing. I might actually get out of my AMD, but it's so close to. Okay, I'm getting out of my AMD, guys, at the break even the rest. Made some of my losses back. That's good. Let's see if NVIDIA can go to the VWAP. I do go to Burning Man, yes, this year. That is the plan. And I'm actually going to trade from it because I have my own Starlink.
Okay, let's get along some SPY calls here, 630s. For this break of the VWAP.
What are you trading, Brian?
630 calls on the SPY.
SPY, 630,000 SPY.
It's not a great entry, but just looks like we want to break higher here. Come on, SPY. AMD is selling off again.
Yeah, it was a
Tried
difficult
to,
day, honestly. Yeah, I
yeah,
had
false
a
breakout.
very, very difficult day. Sorry, Brian.
Yeah, false breakout on AMD. Yeah, everything's really choppy. PLTR has gone red on the day.
Yeah.
Tesla's really hanging in there, 333 to 334.
I added a little more on NVIDIA here, 168.88. I think NVIDIA has the potential to test at least 169.25 on the VWAP. I mean, I'm actually pretty proud of the reversal that I took.
Okay, let's see. Come on, SPY breakout.
Tesla Diner in LA. What is that one? Oh, Elon Musk posted that Tesla Diner, so you can actually go watch movies and stuff and charge your phone. Your not your phone is.
Oh yeah, they
Any
were
food
talking
too?
about yeah, they had they were going to buy, where was that going to be? It was going to be somewhere. And
LA,
they had the superchargers flipping burgers, yeah. LA.
LA, huh? That's interesting. They actually serve food at McDonald's and stuff.
Well, they were serving food. I don't remember what it
That's
I remember,
interesting.
was it like a
Going.
diner with some superchargers?
I'm going. Yeah, why not? Let's go to LA. All right, NVIDIA. I
Here we
told
go.
you guys, NVIDIA is gonna go above the VWAP.
Here we go. We're breaking out on the SPY. Thank you. Thank you very much for your kindness.
LA is awesome. California weather, man. Crude is going down on. The president is crushing the crude. Drill, baby, drill.
I'll take some of these calls off here. 141. It's gonna have to be a bit of a scalping day.
Righty, Brian. I am still long on NVIDIA and I am staying long on NVIDIA because the man doesn't change his word. It's gonna go above the VWAP. Look at that big, beautiful 169.10. Big ask. One big, beautiful ask up there. There you go. Boom. It's gonna go. That's what you want. You want one big, beautiful trade.
One big, beautiful trade. Yeah. Yep. SPY is now back in my break even. See, look, I had to take that. Glad I took that partial. Just no chill in this market. No follow through. Wow, a bit of a drop there on everything.
Right. So NVIDIA is popping up. Come on, NVIDIA, pop up. Are you still long on the spies?
I took some off and then I stopped out at the rest. Just didn't like that drop there.
So shall we head over to
Yeah,
YouTube, Brian? I want to give
I
a
think we
membership
should.
today. It's Wednesday. Any question, guys, about the trade that we did before we open it up to YouTube, guys? Any question about the trades that we did today? I'm still negative, but I think might actually be able to come green for the day or something. General Jim. Hopefully you're not from North Korea, General Jim. Is there any question? No? All right. So Brian, let's go over there.